Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of these two Endozer spray guns. Let's begin. Alright, let's just get started. I'm going to start with this one. This one I used on the application of those metal flakes. Real good gun for applying metal flakes and other specialty paints. So let me just open it up. These are real inexpensive guns, guys, that you can find in Amazon. I'm going to leave all the information in the links below, and go check them out. They're real inexpensive paint guns that'll work for you. So let me just open this one up. Let's see what's included. And here it is. This is all that's included in that package, which you're gonna have your paint gun right there. This one has a 1.7 tip because that's what I used for the metal flakes, but it does come with a 2.0 and a 1.4 tip with a regulator and some tools to disassemble and clean the gun. Now, why should I get these guns? One of the reasons, guys, is I usually have these guns for metal flakes, primers, epoxy primer, and they're real good guns, guys. It's gonna spray perfectly, and you're gonna have a real good pattern with the primers and flakes, as you saw in the video. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave it on the link below. Go ahead, check it out. I'll be using this. I used this gun for those metal flakes, applied it perfectly. So this is one. It does come with your cup right there. This is one of the guns that I do recommend for those type of applications. Let's open the other gun and see the contents of the other one. Here it is. Here is the other one. This one comes with a 1.4, but it also includes a 2.0 and a, I want to say 1.7 tip. This one has a plastic cup with your regulator and also your tools to disassemble and clean the gun. This one, guys, is another gun real good for primers, real good for epoxy primers, real good for metal flakes also. These are the guns that I usually use for those kind of applications, and real inexpensive guns that you can find on Amazon. I'll leave everything on the description below so that you can check them out, get them for something like that. Like I said, these two guns, Endozers, real good for any of those applications. You can apply base and clear with them. I haven't tried it with the base and clear, but I'm more than likely it's gonna spray perfectly with those. So you want to try them out, guys, and get yourself some. And this is going to be it, guys. This is going to be a real short video on the Endozer spray guns right there, as you can see them, and I'll leave the information in the description below so you can go ahead, check them out, get yourself some so you can start applying some primers, metal flakes, and any other source of paint. All right, thank you, guys. Stay safe, and like always, God bless.